Right, so in today's video I'm going to be continuing with a zoom test with the Nikon Coolpix P1100. But in this video it's going to be a little bit different from the previous videos, because in those previous videos I've been really concentrating on how far I can use that zoom, and then when I find that subject I will zoom in all the way back. But in this video, like I said, it's going to be a little bit different as it's springtime now and there's lots of wildlife around and nature. So hopefully I'm going to find some spring chicks, zoom in on them, get it nicely framed, then I'm going to hit record for several seconds. That's what you'll see. Like I said, it's going to be a lot different than the other videos because I want to really test out that 1/1/3 cents today and that 4K capability. So now I'm going to get the P1100 out and start finding some subjects to zoom in on. Here we go. Four. Yeah.
Sorry, we haven't got any food today. Okay. Can you see the water?
So I did get lucky in the end. We managed some chicks there and plenty of nature. So what's your thoughts with the P1100 there as it's in a static position whilst it's zoomed in? To be fair, that's going to rival most high-end cameras there, I think, in my opinion. Especially anything below 1000mm, and you frame it well. Keep it on that tripod and there's no wind and that sun's behind you. I know we're not asking for much here, but that's when it really shines, as you've seen in the footage there. Because I know that the P1100 looks a bit gimmicky when you're zooming in and out, as it's using that telephoto lens there, and it wobbles all over the place, and it don't look really good, to be fair. So I find the way it really shines, as I've just said, find a subject, zoom in on it there, and hopefully it stays still if it's not a little chick running around. Get it focused, get it framed up there, and that's when it really does shine. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.